Flint City Fire Sun City at 81, stand by. Respond to Miller and Hammerberg. Miller and Hammerberg. Got multiple calls reference. Someone heard a loud explosion. Smoke and flames was seen slightly to the west of there, Miller and Hammerberg. I'm now 2132. Flint City Fire Engine 81, respond to the area, Miller and Hammerberg. Miller and Hammerberg. Multiple callers reporting they heard a loud explosion and then smoke and flames were seen slightly to the west from there. Again, it's at Miller and Hammerberg. Time now is 2132. 81, reference your call. It's going to be a due to a structure fire. That's a Flint fire. Stand by for tone. Flint City Engine 31, Engine 11, Squad 1, Squad 2 Battalion, along with Engine 81, respond for a residential structure fire. 3921, 3921, Hogarth Avenue. Neighbors reporting they heard a house explode next door to that house. It's across the street from her house. Multiple calls from it. Fireground 11 at 2133. Flint City Fire Engine 31, Engine 11, Squad 1, Squad 2 Battalion, along with 81, respond to a residential structures fire in the area 3921, 3921 Hogarth Avenue. It's across of Walton. Multiple calls reference they heard a loud explosion, and then there'll be one house on fire. PD's on scene now. Sounds like there's multiple homes on fire now at the time. Multiple homes on fire. 3900 block of Hogarth. Fireground 11 at 2133.
The fire copies 3921 Hogarth for multiple homes on fire. We start a fourth pump in this direction. Also notifying consumers in case this was a natural gas explosion.
Copy. Flint City Engine 61, stay by for tone. Flint Fire Engine 61, Fireground 11, respond to the 3921, 3921 Hogarth Avenue in the area of Hogarth and Walton. Multiple houses on fire in the area. Sounds like one of them did explode. And Fireground 11 at 2135.
I could have I could have